WiME is short for Women into Manufacturing and Engineering, and it's a collaboration across the Humber of manufacturing and engineering organisations, because the fabulous careers they're just not always known about.
So today is a really big careers event, trying to encourage young women into the manufacturing and engineering sector.
So what I would encourage each of them to do is stay creative, do what you love, and look for a career in what you love.
Children, when they're younger, are incredibly creative.
There's a lot of women who've taken some time out to raise children and things, and then come back and think, actually, I'd like to do something different, something really exciting.
There's loads of opportunities out there that actually I don't think women are aware of.
The local digital industry is fantastic.
And I've recently been offered an opportunity to go and work in one of our American refineries.
And I always used to end up building his Legos for him.
It's not just a man's job. There's a lot of attributes that women have that would work really well. The skills in our industry are very transferable.
I think it's open to anybody at any age, with any type of background.
I knew that I didn't want to carry on with school. I wanted to earn money and I didn't want to have any debt from university.
The advantage of that is they can actually earn while they learn.
There's lots of opportunities out there, but you only really work it out by talking to people. You can read many books and you can go on loads of websites, but actually the power is talking to the ladies who do those jobs, find out what they like, and you probably find a mirror image of you somewhere along the line and say, oh, well, if you can do that, I can do it.